Hey everybody, welcome back to Simply Crypto. Take a look at my screen. So, today's video is going to be about FantomStarter. I had this in one of my recent videos. I showed you this thing. It's basically a launchpad, which is not only going to be on Fantom, but also across other chains. And their first projects, their first two pre-sales were the native token of FantomStarter to provide them some liquidity. And this one was free for everyone. There was no requirement to get whitelisted. Everything you had to do is create a fractal ID. It's a KYC process and connect that with the website. Of course, connect your wallet, and ultimately, um, there would be a button which states whitelist me. You click it and you're whitelisted. Now, sadly, I did miss um, the pre-sale because of server issues. There were way too many requests and the website couldn't handle them, so I couldn't even load the website. And I'm also pretty sure these are bots. This is what happens on first come, first serve. People will just set up bots that will instantly um, buy the tokens for them, buy their allocation, and front one normal participants. So, the FantomStarter project acknowledged this and they created a Medium post where they are saying that everyone who got whitelisted, like created a fractal ID and clicked whitelist me, which was completely free. I showed you this in my previous video, in one of my recent videos where I talked about FantomStarter. Everyone who got whitelisted is getting this cool NFT. Yeah, it really looks cool. It has like, alright, whatever. So yeah, everyone's gonna get this NFT, which you can then redeem to partake in the airdrop of 3 million FantomStarter tokens. And if I don't remember wrongly, um, there were 4,200 wallets that got whitelisted. I have already removed like these wallets from that number. It's around that. It's definitely like something with 4,000. The first digit is 4 of the whitelisted wallets. So when we divide that through 3 million tokens, this means that everyone is basically going to get 714 FantomStarter tokens for free. When is this NFT dropping? It's going to unlock with the first actual project that is going to launch here. So if you got in, congrats, dude! You just made some free money. Um, Currently, the price of FantomStarter is at 6 cents. It's really, really volatile though. You can see the graph. It got listed on SpookySwap, so you can trade it here. I'll put everything you need into the description again, as always, so you can save up some time. I recommend you to use DEX tools for the chart. It's the closest to real time. It updates the fastest, faster than ZooTracker and Cactix and PooCoin. I'll link this down as well. And there is one more thing I wanted to talk about, which is the tier system of FantomStarter. It's explained in this medium. I will actually post this as well into the description. I think you should have a read through this. Basically, this is talking about how the tier system is going to work for future projects. So, for example, another project comes here, anything, a pre-sale of a different project, and then for you to secure an allocation on that, you will have to hold FantomStarter tokens. As you can see, I actually bought some. Um, you have to hold FantomStarter tokens, and this post here explains to you how they are going to choose the winners of the allocations and so on. It's basically like a really, really fair system, I think, uh, through lottery tickets. There is also a guaranteed allocation, right? But that starts at, I'm pretty sure you need to have like way too many FantomStarter tokens. But yeah, so the minimum is 15,000 FantomStarter tokens, and to be honest, this is bullish. You know, if they manage to put in like a really promising project pre-sale over here, that's enough reason for people to go into this FantomStarter interface, into this launchpad, and then buy their native tokens. You know, because you require them to partake in the or have a chance to partake in the upcoming pre-sales. So that's why long term I'm definitely bullish on FantomStarter. Right now it's trading at 7 cents, but we've seen this with other launchpads. Sure, this is probably not as polished, as good as some other known ones in the Luna system, for example, Starterra, but I still think this project has some upside. Um, so that's basically it for FantomStarter. I thought giving you an update on what's happening with it and what this thing is. Some of you probably don't even know that this is a thing, if you got into it, of course. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Everything will be in the description. Once again, thank you for watching until the end of this video, and I will see you hopefully in the next one. Take care, everybody.